For this tutorial, I want to take a moment and show you how to upload a video to YouTube. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you are signed into YouTube, and you can check that in the top right corner at your login. Pretty much anybody with a Gmail account has a YouTube account. So just log into your Gmail and you will be signed into YouTube. On the YouTube page, you are going to be looking for this button right here. This is your create button. And you are going to click on that and choose upload video. And you're going to come to the select file screen. I always save my files in a place where I know I can find them. So I'm going to save to the desktop. And this is the video that I want to upload. So I'm going to double click on that. And you can see that the upload process has begun. You can name this file whatever you want here. You can also add a description if you would like. You do need to scroll down through these headings. This is a feature that YouTube has added in the last year or so. And I always check that it's not made for children. I look at things that are made for children being like 2 to 10. And so this is not really a video for 2 to 10-year-olds. So I'm not going to check the made for kids box. I'm also going to come down here and I'm going to turn off my comments. And then I'm going to click next. And these are just video elements that you can add. That is not necessary for this particular upload. So we're going to click next. And then for DECA competitions, you want to make sure that you click on unlisted. And that's going to make it so that only the people who have access to this link are going to be able to see it. It can't be searched. It's not going to be stumbled upon by accident. So we're going to upload that link, but we're not going to let anybody see it unless they have our video link right here. So we are going to click on save. You can see that the video is already uploading and it's almost complete at 82%. Now the upload is complete and it's processing. I'm going to go ahead and close this, and you can see that the video has uploaded right here, and I can click on this and now I have access to it. So it still has some processing to do. I'm going to pull this video link, and this is what is going to be submitted for your presentation into the DECA system. So we're just going to, you can either highlight it and then I right click and copy the link address, or you can simply copy the video link and it's copied to your clipboard. And then when you log in to complete your presentation for DECA competition, you can paste that link into the competition portal and save your link there.